August 8th, 2023, a single spark ignites the deadliest wildfire in modern U.S. history. Within hours, 100 lives are lost, entire families trapped, some forced into the ocean, their only escape from the firestorm. Nearly 2,200 buildings incinerated, homes erased in minutes. When the smoke cleared, the numbers were staggering. $5.5 billion in damages, more than 11,000 people displaced, many of whom are still waiting for a home nearly 2 years later. Hawaii was already in a housing crisis, but this made it impossible. But on the neighboring island of Kauai, something extraordinary is happening.